Well, you see the title, you're never too old to start a YouTube channel. When you get a chance, watch this video, how seniors are beating the YouTube experts. You got to check it out. It's only 10 minutes and 40 seconds long. Check it out. I subscribe to the person's channel, and I know you see the little subscribe button over here. If you click it on, you'll see old me living better. You can see I'm subscribed, and if you hit the little bell, I get all those notifications, okay? Check this out if you get a chance. And before I finish closing out this video, I just want to say thank you to all the new subscribers who recently subscribed to my channel. It is greatly appreciated. Hope you like the content and you come back for more. And if you like this video or any of my other videos, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, share. And if you want to be updated when I post certain videos, please hit that bell notification icon. Okay, I'm going to play a little clipping up here because I don't want to get any community guideline strikes. And at your leisure, come back. I will drop the link in the comment section for this gentleman's YouTube channel. Okay, so I'm going to play a little. I'm going to mute my mic here and listen to what he has to say.
Have you ever noticed how a whole bunch of old people, I mean 70, 80, and 90, are crushing it on YouTube? That's right, they're crushing it on YouTube. Some people call it the grandpa method. I call it the grandpa-grandma method. And in this video, I'm going to share with you how that method is a winner on YouTube, even if you're not a senior citizen or someone in the fourth quarter of.
I don't want to play too much. Like I said, I don't know. Like I said, I don't want to get community guideline strikes. Check it out. It's only 10 minutes here. I'll move the little mouse over here. It's only 10 minutes and 40 seconds long. Check it out. Tell me what you think, okay? And drop a comment below if you want to comment on this video. But it's got me thinking, and like I said, I feel like, you know, I can relate to this. Let's put it that way, okay? So anyway, I'm going to let you guys go. I'll talk to you next time. This is Rich Pacini signing off. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care, and bye-bye for now.